action.
Hello and welcome to Vegans Taste Better. I'm Mandy.
And I'm Lewis, and today we're trying Whole Foods brand Deli Slices turkey style, plant-based.
Herb roasted flavor.
So this is Whole Foods version of tofurkey, I guess.
Basically.
So we saw this today and decided we want to try it. So this has 3.5 grams of fat. It has 0.5 saturated, 2 grams polysaturated, and 0.5 grams monosaturated.
Why are you reading all the different types of fat?
I don't know. I just thought. And 290 milligrams of sodium.
4 slices are in a serving and it's 100 calories. That's really all people care about.
So we have it plain and in sandwich. So
This needs to be passed out.
should we try it plain first? Just get it.
No, let's try it in sandwich first. Then we can try it plain to see what it's like on its own.
Okay.
Most
So I made a tomato, lettuce, pickle, and onion sandwich.
It's good.
With mustard, and this also has a little bit of...
Just mayo?
Yeah, just mayo. Garlic mayo.
I can taste it even with all this stuff on the sandwich.
It doesn't seem to be as salty as tofurkey
Really?
to me. Yeah,
You can tell that already?
I think so. So that's what I'm comparing it to, tofurkey, which I think is probably the best vegan meat substitute. I'm going to try just a plain piece of the meat. I should have rinsed my palate first. I have a strong onion. I had a big piece of onion in mine. It reminds me of the oven roasted or the tofurkey Christmas roast.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna
Except
try it
with
now.
more herb flavor.
So it's really good in the sandwich. Let's see how it is plain.
The texture is a little bit less chewy.
It's a little bit mushy.
Yeah, a little mushier than tofurkey. Which, a little bit off-putting.
If you're eating it alone, which most people probably wouldn't.
And sandwich is fine.
Yeah. I'd say it's not as good plain as a tofurkey deli slices. Like, you could eat those plain. They're super good. This seems to have a little less flavor, I think. And a little bit worse texture.
But overall, not bad.
Also, I think the slices are bigger.
I don't know.
The tofurkey one's pretty thin.
Yeah, that might be a little bit thicker than the tofurkey slices, but definitely cheaper than tofurkey at Whole Foods. I believe this package was $2.99. Yeah, so this is only found at Whole Foods. So you'll have to go to Whole Foods if you want to try it yourself. Overall, it's pretty good. I'd say on a scale of 1 to 5 Omar heads, I'd give it 3.
I think
3.5.
I'd give it 3. Because you can't, on its own, I mean, I thought it was fine in the sandwich, and then I tasted it on its own, and I realized that the sandwich was giving it a lot of its flavor. Like the pickles and the onion and everything made it all taste really good.
That makes a good sandwich.
Yeah.
But I think it's better than filled roast. It's not as good as tofurkey.
You think it's better than field roast?
I think it's better than field roast. The field roast deli slices. Yes, I do think it's better. That awful kale white bean one from
Oh yeah, that
Trader
was
Joe's.
freakish. Did you not like it, or were you just off-put by the fact that it was kale and white bean?
I was off-put by the fact that it sticks together like Play-Doh.
Oh, and that one, it would like break apart. You couldn't even get a slice off.
It's not bad. In a pinch, I would get this one.
Yeah, especially since it's cheaper. Like I could just get this one.
It's good. It's not great, but it's good.
Yeah, it's not great. I think the flavor is good. It's just not as powerful, and the texture's a little off. But it tastes really good in a sandwich because you got all those other flavors helping it out. So I would recommend buying these.
It's alright.
Yeah, it's just alright for us.
I mean, we're gonna eat it.
Oh,
And if they come out with other flavors, we'll probably try those too.
definitely. Doesn't tofurkey not have soy protein isolate in it too? Don't they just have tofu in theirs?
I don't know.
I think they do. So this one's slightly more processed, if what I'm saying is true.
It's very possible that what you're saying is not true.
Yeah, it's possible. But we'll have to check on that.
Yeah. We'll have to do a fact check.
Fake news! 3 stars
3 stars.
for me. Didn't you give him
3
3.5?
Omar. 3.5 Omar heads for me.
3 Omar heads for me.
We'd buy again.
But like, would you go out of your way to go to Whole Foods to specifically get this one?
No.
Yeah.
So. Alright, there we go.
What's your favorite vegan deli meat?
What sort of vegan deli meats do you want to put in your mouth?
I might have to not put that in the video.
What about this?
Performing fellatio on a lunch meat. Gross. Now you have to eat that. Nobody's gonna want to eat that. It was on your head. Don't put it on me!
Like and subscribe. Eat it on my mouth. Yes. Alright.
Bye!
Bye.
Great outro.